Do you need to fill in some gaps in your AI enablement plan? Or maybe you're just getting started and need to figure out how to organize everything? Well, I have something for you. It is a wizard that's going to walk you through step by step. So let's hop in. Hi, everyone. I'm Karuana, and this is another episode of Coffee in the Cloud. Today, I want to highlight a resource that's available on adoption.microsoft.com that I bet you don't know about. And it's called an AI Readiness Wizard. Oh my goodness, such a helpful little quiz. Let's take a look at how this actually works and where you can find it. All right, the AI Readiness Wizard is available on adoption.microsoft.com, and it's right at the top of the solutions menu. So go to adoption.microsoft.com, click on solutions, and click on AI Readiness Wizard. That's going to take you right here at the beginning of the overall questionnaire that is available. The first thing that we're asking about, of course, is your business strategy. What is your business strategy? Do you have one? Not everybody does, and that is okay. Maybe you have some AI models that are implemented, including Copilot. You've already got successful initiatives, but there's always something more that can be done. But I'm going to go ahead and say, hey, I'm in the early stages of this, like most people are. And maybe you have a few use cases that are identified and evaluated. You just click those two and click on next. And then it's going to take you through some of the next questions. Have you identified the relevant data sources? Now, of course, with Copilot, it's using data that is in your Microsoft 365 instance. So it available through the graph. So that's pretty simple, but maybe you're going to build some agents and you could use this tool on a specific set of data or a particular agent process that you want to do. And you've got the essential controls implemented, but you're probably really starting to develop a data safeguard plan. Let's be honest. Everybody needs to do more work in that area. If you have an AI council created, like I recommend through the Copilot Success Kit, then that's fantastic. But many people do not. And so you have some of that model selection that's done based on the use cases. But we're going to go ahead and click that you do not have a formal process for that, and you're going to build your dedicated team that is going to work on these AI initiatives. Also, is anybody into it? Right? People forget that there's a major impact the culture has on the implementation of any technology, but especially AI, and how AI resistant or AI optimistic people are. Is there a lot of AI anxiety in your environment? And how readily available are these skilling and credentialing resources? Of course, everyone can get to Microsoft to learn. However, is there a formal plan inside your organization? You need to develop that plan if there isn't one. Governance and security. This is very important. Transparency, explainability, and interpretability, TEI, of AI tools. We're going to say you have those initial controls in place and you have a plan and development for user communication. Now, I'm going to go ahead and submit that. And we've got a score of 20. It's not good, bad, or otherwise. It just happens to be where you are and exploring. And you can see the top opportunities here and the top resources that are available to you. Now, as you go through the steps, it will continue to help you and highlight the simple resource that you can read at this particular moment to take a look and see what's necessary. And maybe you want to know about the stages overall, go ahead and click learn more. And it will give you actually a link to be able to download our strategy transformation paper for sure. So, this wizard is a wonderful tool. We are very happy that it's available to you. But remember, the most important thing is bringing your workforce along, right? Having those user communication plans in place, understanding what the transformation of your workforce is really going to look like as you implement AI is the greatest competitive differentiation you could ever drive for. The Copilot Success Kit will help you with all of those steps and phases. And you can really just keep it simple. Have a community, have a monthly theme so people build those daily habits and make sure that people can learn more when they're interested with on demand training. It's really straightforward. However, of course, you can do it with more nuance depending on the size of your organization. At the end of the day, using Copilot or any other AI tools is about changing your work habits, and that needs to be enjoyable for people. So, anytime you need help, come on out to our diving adoption community. Use any of our resources that are available on adoption.microsoft.com. And I'm always happy to see you. I'll be at a bunch of upcoming events. I hope to see you out there in the real world very soon. This is Karuana with Coffee in the Cloud signing off. I'll see you again soon.